No, absolutely. I think AI right now is everywhere. Every company is trying to add AI, but I think analytics is one of those core sectors where AI kind of make a lot of sense rather than just adding that AI layer. This is actually going deep, working as a
Mhm.
co-pilot,
Yeah,
digging up a lot of facts, numbers, which
yeah,
are actionable for merchants and someone who's probably like me who don't know his numbers well or kind of not that much interested in looking into analytics, having a
yeah.
co-pilot definitely helps. But apart from that, what else the AI also helps merchants do in your app specifically?
Yeah, I think for me, just to go back to your point on that, I would sort of characterize it as I believe that the future of analytics for merchants begins with a question. The old way, as you referenced, is which you just said, I don't like doing it. Imagine the old school way, which is like, I just need to now go and mine a bunch of data and observe things on my own, create interesting questions, and then figure out the solutions to them. No. AI now is at the state where you can tell it to go do that for you. And
Right.
that's the thing that's very different. Essentially, on the platform, it can do almost anything in the sense that it can identify opportunities. I think that to me is the biggest differentiator. But what else AI can do for you now is go much deeper than that. We've created it such that it can access all of the important KPIs that we're calculating on the platform and actually surface insights that are actionable for you versus just sort of regurgitating a KPI. One of the features that we actually built is this idea of exec summary. So
Okay.
we've all worked in different businesses where there's some exec who simply needs a summary of what's going on, right? So we built
Right.
this feature where we essentially go and scan all of your data for a very finite period of time. We're only looking at a 1 week period. We're ruthlessly focused on what happened last week in my business, and the AI will scan every data point, and every week it'll create you a report. It's genuinely going and thinking, given all of the contextual awareness that we've created for it. So we're not just looking at your data. We know, what do you sell? What are the personas of your customers? What are your sales channels? We use all of that information to contextualize a business update for you. The business update seems simplistic, but it gets a lot deeper when you have access to all of this information. And
Absolutely.
at that point, you're doing some things very different with AI in the sense that you're saving time, you're saving energy, you're bringing a new thought into the mix of how somebody is viewing your business. And that to me is what's very powerful about the AI.